For the people that are learning online, doesn't matter if you're studying MBA or if you're getting your bachelor degrees or you're just looking through the text. If you do not want to read the text, if you want to listen to it, this is a great app. So usually I'm used to listening to the text. Usually when I read a book, I just listen. I buy audiobooks. And I'm going to show you there's a way where you do not have to read it. You can just listen to it. So what you do, you go to Google and you search for this application. If you see online here, it's called Read Out Loud, a text-to-speech voice reader. You see it's a very popular application. It has more than 4 million downloads. Okay, so I already downloaded it. So if you didn't download it, there's going to be a button you're going to be able to click. So because I already downloaded it, so this one shows remove from Chrome. So that means I already downloaded it. So once I download it, it's not going to be up here. You need to pin it, okay? So as you can see, I have a whole bunch of extensions. So you go to the Read Out Loud. If it's not pinned, then it's blank. If you pin it, it's going to become a blue, right? So once you pin it, so let's say I'm gonna come here to study. Okay, so this is a website. So for example, I'm learning leadership management, right? So if you don't want to read it, you can just click on the read out loud icon.
Exit. Leadership in management. Chapter 1, lesson 1.
Okay, I'm pausing it. Okay, so you see, all I gotta do is click on the speaker, and it's gonna start reading. Of course, it's gonna read some of the other text on top. It's reading the exit, it's reading the management. That's kind of annoying, but if you just ignore that and wait until it goes to the actual main text. I'm gonna continue. Okay.
Number 3. Feedback. Even in 2087, leadership continues to be a highly prized commodity. Corporations still value leaders, and people continue to seek advice on how to become a leader. So, what is this timeless ideal that we call leadership? Let's find out.
That's it. So, as you can see, you don't have to read it anymore. You can just listen to it. And if you want to replay it, just click the play button.
Leadership.
Okay. So I figure I share this with you because I think it's going to help me a lot. And I think it's going to help you a lot too. So subscribe to my channel. And until next time.